low conductivity pole. That means it's double insulated against electric shock, which is incredibly important. We want to keep our distances away from electrical sources like overhead power lines. Hello everybody, Jeremiah here with On the Spot Window Cleaning, coming to you with a brand new SimPole. Check this thing out. SimPole, this is the SimBlue 34 footer. Low conductivity pole. Low conductivity pole. That means it's double insulated against electric shock, which is incredibly important. We want to keep our distances away from electrical sources like overhead power lines or anything that could cause a problem. We want to keep our distance first. But in the event that there's an accident or a misjudgment, the double insulated poles are a great line of last defense to help resist against electric shock. But anyway, we want to keep our distances, but these poles are incredible. One of the things we've always loved with the SimPole line, we have gotten several different poles over the years. Now we're going to invest all of our efforts into having all of our resources into having the resistor line of poles. We want that extra layer of protection against electric shock, just in case there is an accident or accidentally come in contact or too close a range. But anyway, we're going to be investing in all of these. We already have invested in 2 of these poles, and we're going to get the whole team to be on board with these pretty soon. But what we've always loved about the SimPole line is how rigid they are. They're incredibly rigid, working at height, so you don't have all that flex. Much more easy to control, less stress on the body. They're slightly heavier, but you get the rigidity, so you get a lot less resistance while you're doing it. And once you learn how to use the pole correctly, ergonomically, not forcing it with your body, but controlling it with a nice ergonomic, controlling it with the flow of your body instead of against it, you'll find how easy it is to work with a fully rigid pole, and how nice it is to have that SimPole working for you and not against you. This pole is great for high-level work. There's 3 stories behind us. Easily does that with the sections that it comes with, but then it has this interesting adapter right here, telescopic adapter. Actually, it's not telescopic, it just goes into the end. So when you have it at length, you can pop it right into the end like that, and then from there you can keep adding pieces. I recommend doing it vertically, not horizontally. Anyway, this is the SimPole SimBlue. With the extensions, you can keep going higher and higher and higher. But this thing is not only beautiful, but because of the double insulation on it, low conductivity, reduces the chance of electric shock. Thank you very much, SimPole. If you're wondering about the different equipment I have on here, this is the gardener brush with some fan jets added on. Got a nice little control valve there. Easy adapter for external hose lines. So the SimBlue, the first 4 sections are shorter, so you can pull it out, have less in your way, less weight when you're using the smaller sections. Then the next 2 sections are a little bit longer, about 5 foot. 2 sections there, 5 foot. And the last 2 sections run close to 6 foot for the last 2 sections. So you can drop the pieces as you need it, so you're not carrying all that weight, but each part of the pole is a little bit longer, so you don't have to be so clumsy when you're doing smaller single-story work. Also great for solar panels, keeping that resistance against electricity if there happens to be an accident. You want that extra line of defense. Check them out, SimPole. This is the SimBlue. He's got a whole line of resistor poles that help to reduce that risk of electric shock. So take a look at them, simpole.com, SIMPOLE, simpole.com. Have a good one.